Hey everyone, is your iPhone 17 Pro randomly shutting down without warning? Maybe you're watching a video, browsing social media, or your phone is just sitting on the table. Then suddenly the screen goes black and the device turns off. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. In most cases, this issue is caused by a software glitch, battery problem, storage issue, or even an app that's causing system crashes. I have my iPhone 17 Pro right here. Let me show you the best ways to fix unexpected shutdowns. Let's start with the quickest solution. If your iPhone has already shut down and won't respond, perform a force restart. Press and quickly release the volume up button. Press and quickly release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side button. Keep holding the side button even if the screen goes black. Do not release it until you see the Apple logo appear. Once the Apple logo shows up, let go of the button and allow your iPhone to boot normally. A lot of users find that this immediately fixes temporary crashes and black screen issues. Now let's check for software updates. One of the biggest reasons for unexpected shutdowns is software bugs. Apple regularly releases updates that fix stability problems and random reboot issues. Open Settings. Tap General. Then Software Update. If an update is available, go ahead and install it. After the installation finishes, use your iPhone normally for a while and see if the shutdown problem comes back. Okay, if your phone is still turning off unexpectedly, let's take a look at battery health. Over time, lithium-ion batteries wear down. When battery health becomes too low, your iPhone may shut down automatically to protect internal components. Open Settings. Tap Battery, then Battery Health and Charging. Look at maximum capacity. If the percentage is below 80%, or if you see warnings related to performance management, your battery may need service. Now let's talk about storage. This is something a lot of people overlook. If your iPhone storage is nearly full, iOS may struggle to manage system resources properly. That can lead to freezing, crashes, and unexpected restarts. Open Settings. Tap General, then iPhone Storage. If you're running very low on available storage, go ahead and delete apps, videos, downloads, or files that you no longer need. Try to keep at least 10 gigabytes of free space available. Next, let's check whether your iPhone is creating panic logs. These logs can tell us exactly what's causing the shutdown. Open Settings. Tap Privacy and Security. Select Analytics and Improvements, then Analytics Data. Scroll through the list and look for files that begin with panic full. If you see several panic logs appearing around the same time as the shutdowns, that's a sign that something on the device is crashing the system. You may also notice terms like SMC panic or assertion failed inside those reports. Those details can help Apple identify the exact source of the problem. Another thing to consider is recently installed apps. Think back to when the shutdown started. Did you install a new game, utility app, VPN app, or any other application around that time? Some third-party apps can consume excessive memory or conflict with iOS. If the problem started after installing a specific app, try removing it and monitor your iPhone for a day or two. Now let's talk about overheating. If your iPhone gets unusually warm while charging, gaming, or using demanding apps, it may automatically shut down to protect itself. Make sure you're using a certified charger, avoid leaving the phone in direct sunlight, and remove thick cases if the device gets excessively hot. If you've tried all of these fixes and your iPhone 17 Pro still shuts down randomly, then it may be time to contact Apple support. Apple can run diagnostic tests on the battery, logic board, and other internal hardware components. If there's a hardware failure, they can help determine whether a repair or replacement is needed. Anyways, those are the best ways to fix unexpected shutdowns on iPhone 17 Pro. Start with the force restart, then check for software updates, battery health, available storage, panic logs, and recently installed apps. One of these solutions will usually reveal what's causing the issue. If your iPhone is still shutting down, let me know in the comments how often it happens, whether it occurs while using a specific app, and what your battery maximum capacity percentage shows. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.